Welcome to JH. Recently, a lot of people have been receiving messages claiming that ASDA is handing out free vouchers like they're candy. These usually arrive via text, WhatsApp, or email, featuring a sketchy-looking shortened link. Because apparently, a multi-billion-pound corporation just loves giving away money through random forwards. If you're wondering whether this offer is legit or just another scam, here are the full details. The first major red flag is that the link is always shortened or looks like it was generated by a cat walking across a keyboard. Users report that as soon as they click, the page starts demanding personal or even bank details. Because nothing says free gift like handing over your life savings to a stranger on the internet. Legitimate companies like ASDA will never ask for sensitive information through random, unsolicited links. ASDA has officially confirmed that these messages are fake. They aren't distributing vouchers through forwarded links, and real giveaways will only ever be hosted on their official websites. It gets even more delightful. Some users found that clicking the link automatically forwarded the scam to their entire contact list without permission. It's the gift that keeps on giving, mostly to the people who are about to block you. This behavior is typical of phishing attacks designed to spread like a digital plague. These messages follow the same tired pattern as other scams, such as fake prize draws or package notifications that redirect you to non-ASDA websites. Apparently, scammers think we're all as gullible as a toddler at a magic show. These pages are created solely to harvest your personal and financial data. To stay safe, never click unfamiliar or shortened links, especially those asking for bank information. Always verify that the URL belongs to an official ASDA domain. If a message looks suspicious, delete it immediately and definitely don't forward it to your NAN. Keep an eye out for spelling mistakes, unusual domains, and offers that are clearly too good to be true. Thanks for watching till the end.